Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Discord to enable security notifications in 2FA step by step clearly. To connect Discord to enable security notifications in two-factor authentication, begin by opening your Discord app or logging in via the website. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to access the user settings. In the user settings menu, locate and select the privacy and safety option. Scroll down until you find the security section. Here, you will see options related to two-factor authentication and notifications. Click on the Enable Two-Factor Auth button. You will be prompted to enter your password for security verification. After entering your password, choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. You can select either an authentication app or receive a code via SMS. If you opt for an authentication app, download a trusted app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Once the app is installed, scan the QR code displayed on your Discord screen. The app will generate a verification code. Enter the code back in Discord to confirm your two-factor authentication. If you chose SMS, input your phone number when prompted. You will receive a verification code via SMS that you need to enter in Discord. Once you complete this step, two-factor authentication will be activated. Now return to the Privacy and Safety section, where you can adjust security notification settings. Locate the security notification settings. Ensure that the options for alerts about unrecognized logins or changes to your account are enabled. This will keep you updated on any suspicious activities on your Discord account. Finally, review all settings to ensure they suit your security preferences. Your Discord account is now more secure with notifications and two-factor authentication enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.